How to zoom in on YouTube TV. Zooming in on YouTube TV can enhance visibility if the screen appears too small or you want a closer view. Follow these steps based on your device type. 1. On smart TVs and streaming devices. Step 1. Access TV settings. Press the home or menu button on your TV remote. Step 2. Open display settings. Navigate to settings, greater than picture settings or display and sound, depending on your TV brand. Step 3. Adjust screen size or aspect ratio. Look for options like zoom, aspect ratio, or screen fit. Choose zoom, 4:3, or custom zoom if available. 2. On web browsers, desktop. Step 1. Open YouTube TV in a browser. Visit tv.youtube.com on your web browser. Step 2. Use browser zoom controls. On Windows Linux, press Ctrl+ to zoom in. On Mac, press Command+ sign to zoom in. On touchpad devices, pinch inward on the trackpad to zoom in. 3. On mobile devices, iOS, Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Adjust screen orientation. Turn the device to landscape mode for a larger view. Step 3. Use screen magnification. Go to your device's accessibility settings and enable screen magnification or zoom if supported.